Google is under fire with a $135 million class action settlement, and Android users may be eligible for a payment. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. A lawsuit was filed against Google in 2020, alleging that Google's OS transferred information to Google without users' permission, even when their device wasn't in use. But Google says that's not the case. Now both sides are trying to avoid the cost and uncertainty of a trial with a settlement for people who've used an Android mobile device to access the internet through cellular networks from November 12, 2017 to the present. The settlement website says the proposed settlement doesn't mean that any law was broken or that Google did anything wrong. It's just best for all settlement class members. There are approximately 100 million settlement class members who may be eligible for a payout, and all those who don't opt out will receive a payment. Eligible users should have received a notice in the mail or email containing a notice ID and a confirmation code, which is needed when selecting a payment method online. If you don't select a payment method, you'll not receive a payout. A final approval is scheduled for June 23rd, and payments will go out after the court grants final approval and administration costs, taxes, and any other court-approved expenses are paid. It's currently unknown exactly how much each member will receive, and even if you opt out of the settlement, you give up the right to separately sue Google about the claims in the lawsuit. One can refuse the settlement by sending a personally signed letter requesting exclusion to the settlement administrator before May 29 to the address listed on the settlement website. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.